I made this quick and easy linen dress that's perfect for your warm weather destination. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kyla, and I make custom designs, do pattern hacks, home decorating, and a whole lot more. So I needed something quick and comfortable and kind of business casual, but sort of weekend casual as well for a work trip to a warmer state. And I went through my pattern stash and found Vogue V8229. I've made UA in the past in a more of a dressy type fabric, but I had this olive green, like army drab linen fabric that I thought would be perfect because the state is down south. So I figured, okay, linen, that'll be comfortable. So I started sewing this at night and finished it up in the daytime. But probably if I went straight through, it would have been at least maybe 2 hours. And when I tell you that I barely had enough fabric to make this dress, I barely had enough fabric to make it. But I was able to squeeze it out and I was able to add pockets. So let's get started. So I've got pieces 1 through 7 laid out on folded 60-inch wide fabric. Here's where I'll cut the second ruffle for the back. And then that little extra piece there, I'll use that for my pockets. Here are the markings for the back fitted darts. And yes, I know they look bad, but trust me, they'll look good once they're stitched. Now that I've got the back markings in place, I can attach the invisible zipper to both sides. So here are the fitted darts in the back, and I just wanted to show you that here's one thread that matches and here's the other that doesn't. This is for me, so when it's on the inside, I'm just, going with what I have. But definitely if this was for a client or a family member or friend, I would go back to the store and get the thread that matches. I just use my marking pencil to make the outline of the dart, and it'll wash off in the wash machine, or you can rub it off as well with just a damp cloth. But I do like how they just put the darts in the back of this dress, just to give it a little bit of contour so that it's not hanging on you completely straight, and it still keeps it a loose fit for the warmer weather. Here are the pockets attached, and I've got them serged around the edges, and I also double stitched them just for extra reinforcement. Now I can add the ruffle to the bottom. Now that I've got my ruffle gathered, I can attach that to the bottom. I have it serged here, and here it is on the outer seam. All that's left is just finishing off the top neckline, and then I'm good to go. Here's where I did have to improvise and make a change to the front facing because I actually did run out of fabric. But luckily I had this black cotton that I could substitute, and since it's hidden, no one will know but me. And here's my top neckline complete. My zipper's in place, and I'm done. This pattern was just as it's marked, very easy. Outside of me adding the pockets to it, I pretty much followed it verbatim to a T, and everything worked out really great. So I'll probably make it again in the future, but I did this rendering of an Audrey Hepburn-esque type look that I'm going for. So maybe I'll make it out of a black brocade in the future because it's kind of giving me Audrey Hepburn vibes. And if I'm indoors, I can just throw a blazer on top of it. And then when I'm outside, take it off and I'm ready for the sun. So if you enjoyed today's video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. And if you all are enjoying spring break somewhere, have a good time. Bye, everyone.